bata pa lang ako, mapagmasid na ako noon. Ang dami kong gustong itanong. Minsan nga sa katatanong ko, napapagalitan ako, napapaaway. Pero di ko talaga mapigil eh. Talagang gusto ko itanong.
What are we fighting for, sir?
Natural na sa akin na magtanong, bata o matanda, kaibigan o hindi kilala, may kaya o wala. I ask everyone. Wala akong pinalalagpas, kaya naman ako naging bahagi ng Inquirer.
What prevents immediate response to climate change? Here we ask everything. Questions about government, the economy, insurgency and terrorism, sports and entertainment, and any other issue that concerns our readers. Here we ask questions that no one else would ask.
What future awaits those burdened by the promises that we don't keep? We question for those who are not able to, for those on the margins of society, for those who have too long been silenced.
What can this acquisition do for nation building aside from providing jobs? And when we get recognized for our questions by the Catholic Mass Media Awards, for example, we get encouraged that we must be doing the right thing. But then again, the questions that mean the most to us are the ones you know will change lives.
How will you tell your country that the Philippines is a nation of hope? In the end, the best questions are the ones that shape a nation. Questions that spur not only thought, but action. Questions that hold people accountable and turn things around. Questions that move a country forward. What started out as our nature to ask has become our duty.
Tatanungin ko ang lahat ng nararapat itanong. Kung bakit may mayaman at bakit may naghihirap.
At anong pwedeng gawin ng mayaman para sa naghihirap. Tatanungin ko yung masama. Tatanungin ko ang mabait.
Tatanungin ko muli ang mabait kung talagang mabait.
Tatanungin ko bakit may nasasawi.
Bakit may mga sunog, baha at trahedya.
Tatanungin ko para hindi na mangyari muli.
Tatanungin ko ang boksingero at basketballista.
Ang teacher at fashionista.
Ang pari at ang kriminal.
Ang mga bossing at mga bodyguards.
Tatanungin ko si Manong at Manang.
Mga kaibigan.
At katrabaho.
Si Obama.
At ang barangay tanod.
Tatanungin ko ang mga taong dapat tanungin para sa mga bagay na dapat ipaliwanag.
Para sa bansang kailangan magtanong.
Para sa kinabukasan ng ating bayan.